Want muscles? Need energy for your workouts? Going vegan can be tough, especially if you are super busy. Who has time to cook all day long? That's why I've got a super fast, super delicious recipe just for you. 5 minutes, tons of protein, and it'll help you get ripped and strong. The 5-minute vegan muscle builder recipe revealed. What you need are simple, wholesome ingredients that pack a punch. Silken tofu, 1 cup packed with protein. This is the base of our smoothie, providing a creamy texture and a protein boost. Frozen berries, 1/2 cup, loaded with antioxidants. These will add a burst of flavor and color to your smoothie. Spinach, 1 handful, packed with vitamins and minerals. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but your body will thank you. Plant-based milk, 1/2 cup. I like almond. It adds a nutty flavor and keeps the smoothie dairy-free. Chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, full of fiber and omega-3s. These tiny seeds will help keep you full and energized. Toss everything into a blender. Make sure to blend it well so all the ingredients are fully combined. Whirl it up until smooth. Pour into a glass. The vibrant color and creamy texture will make it irresistible. Drink up, see? Easy peasy. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious vegan muscle builder smoothie. Perfect for any time of the day. Power-packed ingredients, your body's best friends. These are the foods that not only fuel your body but also help it thrive. Let's dive into some of the best plant-based options that can supercharge your health and fitness journey. Tofu, this is our star player. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to smoothies. Tofu is made from soybeans and it's got tons of protein to build those muscles. Plus, it's a great source of calcium and iron, which are essential for bone health and energy levels. Berries. They're like nature's candy, but they're good for you. These little gems are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Antioxidants in berries help your body recover after a workout. They fight off free radicals, reducing inflammation and muscle soreness. Spinach. Popeye loved it for a reason. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. Spinach is full of vitamins and minerals that keep your body strong. It's rich in iron, which helps transport oxygen in your blood, and magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function. Plant-based milk. You've got options here. Whether you're lactose intolerant or just looking for a dairy-free alternative, there's a plant-based milk for you. Almond milk, soy milk, oat milk. They all add creaminess and some extra nutrients. Each type has its own unique benefits, like vitamin E in almond milk and beta-glucans in oat milk, which are good for your heart. Chia seeds, don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for your heart and brain. They also help keep you full longer, making them a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your weight. This 5-minute smoothie is your secret weapon for a healthy and fit lifestyle. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and nutrients, all in one delicious drink. It's packed with protein, vitamins, and everything your body needs to thrive. No more excuses. Whether you're rushing to work or heading to the gym, this smoothie has got you covered. You can have it all: deliciousness, convenience, and amazing results. Feel the difference in your energy levels and see the transformation in your body. So go ahead, blend your way to a healthier you. It's time to embrace the quick and delicious path to gains. Your body will thank you for it.